So the other day I made a tutorial on how to create yourself a Notion habit tracker. And I show you guys that I had a graph in which you could actually see the improvement that you have made over the days. And a lot of you guys were asking me, how do I do this? Okay, this is complicated. How do I set up that graph? Because it's confusing. So that's what we're gonna do today. And in case you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link up here so that you can create yourself a Notion habit tracker. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go. Now to get things clear, today we're gonna use the service called Chartbase. They're not sponsoring me, they're not paying me any money, so I'm just giving them free promotion. This is totally my opinion, so yeah, let's just get into it. And once you're in, it'll tell you, you don't have any charts yet. Would you like to create one? Let's create a chart because that's the goal of the video. And let's go and choose the line chart, okay? Let's click on next, a Notion database that you need to get access to. So in this case, you need to set your Notion up so that it allows the Chartbase program to access the database that you want to give it access to. In this case, it's going to be the Notion habit tracker one. But if you're going to pay the full version, you might as well just give it access to your entire workspace. But yeah, for today's video, we're just going to click on the habit tracker for 2023-2024 one, which is the one we're working on right now. And this is where things get interesting, okay? On the X basis, we're going to track our days, okay? We're going to click on the created time, the date property, and then on the X axis, the one that goes from up and down, we're going to select the progress that we have made so that we can calculate how many habits we have done that same day. So we're just going to click on the progress and we'll create chart. Once here, you'll see that we have something similar to what we want to achieve. But since my Notion habit tracker has a blue theme, we'll change it to blue. So the way to do is to go into the single color and select the blue color. Okay, that's much better. And you might notice that below on the x-axis, the November 17th tag is on the left, but we don't want that. We actually want it to grow sideways in the way that the left one, this is the oldest date, and this one right here on the right, this is the one on the latest date, maybe like today or yesterday. So the way to accomplish this is to go onto the x-axis, group by day, and y-axis group by progress, and we're going to short them by date. This way you can see that on the x-axis we have October 24th on the left side and the November 17th on the right side, which is yesterday or today. The thing that is left for us to do is to get the embed link. We're going to copy it and we're going to go into our Notion and we're just going to click on Command V or Control V if you're on Windows and just paste it, and we'll create an embed. And that's how easy it is. That's how easy you can create a graph to track all of your habits inside of Notion. So we're just gonna put it up here because I like it more, not because of functionality reasons. And there's that. And you can actually go and use this for other things other than the habit tracker. Maybe it's a project manager or anything that has to do with checking boxes and having numbers, okay? So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope I helped you. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. And also, don't go, because all of my templates, you're gonna find them down on the description below on my Gumroad shop. So yeah, now I'll say bye to you. Goodbye.